Okay. We start. I made a pledge the people of Nyaribo that I will safeguard the county resources, ensure integrity, and uphold the Constitution in my position as governor. To safeguard the integrity of our payroll and the public service, the county government of Nyaribo undertook a process of verification and authentication of academic and professional certificates of our staff. The first batch of 2,821 Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education certificates was submitted to the Kenya National Examination Council for verification. Next submitted a report to us in April, and the report indicates that established that 76 certificates were not genuine. 76 certificates were not genuine. We further submitted academic certificates and professional certificates to colleges and universities for the same purpose. The reports, partial reports, indicate that the 3 officers had 40 diploma and degrees. In total, 79 certificates were found to have forged academic and professional certificates. We await a report from other universities. The report by NEC from NEC indicates alterations of mini grades, subject scores, and exam center codes. In some cases, the index numbers in the certificates did not belong to the officers, while others replaced names on certificates with their own names. The affected departments include health, which has 24 cases, finance and public service, which has 13 cases each, governor's office and the lands, 9 cases each, education and environment, 3 cases each, the gender, trade and public service board, 1 case each. The following actions have been taken against the culprits. Immediate stoppage of salaries for 79 individuals, with letters of notification already dispatched to them. Disciplinary and administrative action against the staff has been initiated. Number 3, the report will be forwarded to the DCIA, Directorate of Criminal Investigation, and the Ethics and the Anti-Corruption Commission for further action. The second batch of academic certificates will be submitted to NEC and the middle level colleges next week for verifications. Further, administration action on irregular promotions. Administration action on irregular promotions, which are 245, will be effected from this month when the county public service completes combining reports. I assure the great people of Nyaribo that this exercise is meant to strengthen the civil service for better service delivery. I can repeat, this is phase 1. We may have up to phase 4 phases of paying our cleansing. So the action started falling and it will continue. But fairness will be observed. There will be no victimization. There will be no victimization. We are also to be fair to those who are following normal promotion channels, because if others take shortcuts, then they shut down the channels. In this case, we have people who want promotion up to 3 times in 1 year. Some got every year. There's one case, he got another promotion after 1 year. So it's a case of irregularity, and civil service cannot operate with such impunity. Therefore, we are committed to making sure that the civil service of the mirror is clean and the people who are committed to serve.